from near chaos to a beautiful, smoothly running organization. So the DD Bricks Factory was a great class. We really enjoyed every second. We had a lot of questions before the class, and we were trying to figure out what DDMRP is and how it works and how we would apply it here, and the dichotomy from MRP of old and DDMRP of tomorrow, and being able to hands-on and being able to participate in a very simple but extremely useful and exciting way to show the capabilities and the benefit. It went from near chaos to a beautiful, smoothly running organization. It was really a fun day. This was a critical first step in our mind. It's one of the first things we've done for implementing our entire new Dynamics 365 project. We need to get the DDMRP as a fairly new concept for us, and so it's super important to get that foundation. I think we accomplished that today. Had a lot of excitement, and it was a great way to kick off the implementation of the entire project. Hey,